Everyone thinks the best-selling water cooler dispensers are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cozy Charm Water Jug Pump. Priced at just $9.99, this portable electric dispenser caught my eye because of its handy USB-C charging feature. If you want a fast and easy way to get water from your 5-gallon jugs, this is worth a serious look. This pump is equipped with dual powerful motors, providing a strong flow that fills a standard 16-ounce cup in just 9 seconds. That's perfect for busy households or offices where time is of the essence. It's also lightweight and portable, meaning you can take it anywhere, even camping. And here's why this matters for you specifically. If you or your family members struggle with lifting heavy bottles, this pump completely eliminates that hassle. However, some users have mentioned that the battery life isn't as long as expected. Now, here's the thing though, as long as you're charging it regularly, it should last you a good while. If you're someone who needs constant access to water without the physical strain, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy, portable way to drink water at home or outdoors. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional cooler with more features. For the price, it's a solid investment in convenience. Now, if the portability of the Cozy Charm didn't catch your attention, the next one on our list might actually be even better for those needing a more permanent solution. Product number 2, Cozy Blue Water Bottle Pump. We have the Cozy Blue Water Bottle Pump, priced at just $7.86. This one grabbed my attention because it offers a sleek design and is super easy to use. If you want a straightforward way to dispense water without the hassle of heavy lifting, this is definitely worth considering. The Cozy Blue Pump makes it hassle-free to get your water with a simple touch of a button. It's made from BPA-free materials, meaning you can trust it's safe for your family. Plus, it comes with a rechargeable battery that can last for about a month on a single charge, making it perfect for everyday use. Here's why this matters. You won't have to worry about constantly plugging it in or dealing with awkward cables. Just charge it and you're good to go. That said, some reviews mention that the pump can be a bit noisy when in use. But honestly, if you've used electric pumps before, a bit of noise is pretty standard. If you're looking for something simple and effective, this won't deter you. This is ideal for anyone who wants a compact solution for their home or office. Skip this one if you need a highly durable or commercial-grade option. At this price, you're getting great value for a reliable dispenser. All right, that was a good one. But if you're looking for something that combines functionality with a bit of style, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 3, Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The third option is the Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. While it doesn't have a listed price, it's popular for its features. This caught my eye due to its sleek stainless steel design and bottom loading functionality. If you want a more permanent setup that blends style with convenience, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this cooler is that you don't have to lift heavy bottles at all. The bottom loading feature means you just slide in the bottle and forget about it. It also has 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, making it versatile for any occasion. This matters because whether you need hot water for tea or cold water for hydration, it's right at your fingertips. Some users have reported that it can be tricky to clean, especially around the drip tray. Now, I'll be real with you. If cleaning is a big concern for you, this might take some extra effort. But if you're willing to put in that little bit of work for the convenience it provides, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional water cooler at home or in a larger office setting. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact, portable option. For what you get, it's a solid investment in quality and convenience. Now, transitioning from a freestanding cooler, if you're in need of something a bit more rugged for outdoor use, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Stanley Adventure Fast Flow Water Jug. Priced at $41.25. This caught my attention for its durability and capacity. If you're someone who's always on the go, whether it's camping, hiking, or sporting events, this is worth a serious look. This jug holds 2 gallons of water and keeps it cold for up to 13 hours. That's a game changer when you're outdoors and need refreshing hydration. The high-flow spigot is designed to prevent clogging, which is a common issue with other jugs. Plus, it's constructed from stainless steel, making it tough enough to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a reliable water source that won't break or leak, this is it. However, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky to carry. I get it. If you're looking for something ultra lightweight, this might not be your best bet. But if you need something that can handle rough conditions, it's definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or need a durable solution for events. Skip this one if you need something more compact for daily indoor use. For the quality, it's a solid buy that will last you a long time. Alright, moving on from outdoor solutions, let's check out something that's great for both home and office needs.
Product number 5, Igloo Sports Cooler, priced at $55.99. This one stands out for its impressive 10-gallon capacity and versatility. If you want a larger cooler for group outings or events, this is worth a serious look. The Igloo cooler features a spout for easy dispensing, making it perfect for parties or gatherings. It also has reinforced comfort grip handles, which is especially helpful when you're pouring water or moving it around. The insulated design keeps your beverages cool for hours, which is fantastic for summer events. Here's why this matters. Whether you're at a picnic or a sports game, you want to ensure everyone stays hydrated. However, I found some reviews mentioning it can be a bit cumbersome to clean, especially if you're not careful with the spout. But look, if you're willing to put in a little effort for that much capacity and functionality, it's truly a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you regularly host events or need a large cooler for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you need something more compact for everyday use. Overall, for the size and durability, it's an excellent value that won't disappoint. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison of everything we've talked about.
So, to recap, the Cozy Charm water jug pump is super portable and budget-friendly. The Cozy Blue water bottle pump is simple and effective. The Brio bottom loading cooler is stylish and functional. The Stanley Adventure Jug is fantastic for outdoor use, and the Igloo Sports Cooler is perfect for larger gatherings. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you're looking for. Stay hydrated and pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.